Hello, friends. So I'm here today to open up Boo Mail, Happy Mail from Kim's Inspire Life. She's supposed to send me some candy, but so far I don't see any candy here. Kim, I just opened it. She used the snack box to send the package, and then my son was like, "Oh, who sent you that?" So Kim, I already wrapped you something, and I will send it out Saturday. My son made you a candy bag, so hope you like that. So this is some embellishments that I could use for Valentine's Day, and some straws. I love this color. Oh, I think these are with snowflakes for Christmas. Maybe I should do some Christmas ones. And then these cute little monkeys for Valentine's. And this bookmark with the Tim Holtz. I could put that in one of my journals. And I think this is like a little notebook here, like a matchbook notebook. Yeah, it is. And then this one, a rosette, a heart one. Thank you, Kim. I don't have any of those. And then she sent me this trick or treat kitchen towel. I'll put here in my kitchen, even though Halloween is today. Or I'll save it for next year. And then she sent me a stamp of a little girl. No, a mermaid. So this is the stamp. So I'm happy to be using that. And I believe this is my treats. Hold on for a sec. So first, I see is this witch wand. So super cute. I think she made these. And she put the treat bag in the little crate here. So she painted it black. And I think this is collector of curiosities. And then she put Boo. And then this cute Boo dangle here. I think she made this as well, the dangle on the treat bag here. Thank you, Kim. And she put Snickers, my favorite. So I'm going to hide that from my son. And she put my name with my favorite candy here. And then she put this cute Mickey head with a pumpkin background with a note. It says, Happy Halloween, Happy October, sending love and hugs for your support, Kim. I will link down her channel down below. And then she sent me some purple earrings. And purple is my favorite color. Maybe I'll wear that for my birthday with a purple dress. Thank you, Kim, for that. And then she also put a dangle and then in this bubble wand. And what did she put there? I think she put black beads. That's a cute idea. And then she put some little bones there. Oh, and then a plastic eye. that I could use. And then this cute little, is it Twinkie? Yes, this cute little Twinkie with a flower in the heart. And then she put another bubble wand. What does it have in there? So I think some orange beads. So I could use that to make some more dangles. And guess what, Kim? I sent you some dangles too and a wand. Oh, and then this cute little spider here with Google eyes. My son is going to love him. He's already asleep because he has to go to school. And he got tired giving out candy today, so we just did that today. They don't give out a lot of candy where I live. Where I used to live, yes, I would always run out of candy and have to go and get some more at Target. But what I did is I just ordered. I usually get my candy at Target when they have their specials, but I just got some at Amazon this time, the big bags, and it was buy one get one. And I still have a lot of candy left over, like 2 bags I have left over. Hope you all had a happy Halloween, and talk to you again soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Also, I was putting the items back in the box, and this had fallen into the box, and they're flower cabochons that I could glue to any projects. Once again, thank you, Kim. I love everything, and I hope you like the boom mail I'm sending you. Bye until next time.